Good morning everybody. So today we are going to discuss about chance and probability. Okay, what is meant by chance? Chance means it's nothing but it is a prediction. It is a prediction. If suppose if you are doing some experiment, it may be certain to happen. Certain to happen means what? Surely it will happen. Otherwise, it may not happen. It may not happen. Am I right, dear? Otherwise, that may be impossible. If you are doing some experiment, otherwise if you are doing some event, it may be certain to happen. Otherwise, that are impossible. Otherwise, sometimes it may happen. In sometimes it may not happen. Am I right, dear? Are you getting or not? Yes. Some that may happen or may not happen. Some that may happen or may not happen. Some that may happen or may not happen. Am I right? Yes. Then, what is meant by probability? That is, what is meant by probability? Tell me, what is meant by probability? That probability means nothing but the probability of an event is nothing but number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome means nothing but if you are doing some experiment, then what are all the favorable outcomes of an experiment? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. By total number of all possible outcomes. Are you getting dear? Yes. Total number of all possible outcomes. Total number of all possible outcomes. So please remember, if you are doing some experiment, that experiment certain to happen or that are impossible. Otherwise, sometimes that may happen, sometimes that may not happen. Okay, the probability of an event is nothing but what is that? Number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. The total number of possible outcomes. Now, come to the exercise, that is 3.4, I think so. 3.4, that is, tell whether the following is certain to happen, otherwise that is impossible, can happen but not certain. So you have to classify into three. What are they? First one is it may happen, it's certain to happen, or impossible, it may happen but not certain. Now the first question is, it's like, you are older than yesterday. You are older today. You are older today than yesterday. What is the question? You are older today than yesterday. So what we can conclude? It is certain to happen. It is certain to happen because the day by day that is your grow up. Am I right? So it is certain to happen. It is certain to happen. You are going to classify whether it is certain to happen or impossible or it may happen but not certain. Second point, a coin is tossed. A tossed coin will land heads up. It may happen but not certain, because when we are tossing a coin, okay, so what are the chances of getting? Either getting head or tail. So it may happen, it can happen, but not certain. It can happen, but not sure. Am I right, dear? But not certain. Now, come to the third part. A die, when tossed, a die is tossed. Die is rolled up otherwise. Die is rolled. Shall land up with 8 on top. Rolled with shall land up with 8 on top. So it is impossible. It is impossible because dice has only how many faces? 6 faces. Dice has how many faces? 6 faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here 3, here it is 4, here it is 5, and then back side of this one 6. Am I right? So it is impossible. It is impossible. Are you getting, children? Yes. Now come to the fourth part. The next traffic light sign will be green. Fourth part of the question. The next traffic light sign will be green. Sign will be green. It may happen, but not certain. It can happen because maybe the next traffic light sign may be red or yellow. So it can happen. It can happen, but not certain. But not certain. Are you getting, children? Yes. Now come to the next part. That tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. You cannot predict. You cannot predict. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It may happen, but not certain. Am I right, dear? It can happen, but not certain. But not certain. Are you getting, dear? Yes. In the next video, we will discuss the solution for the rest of the questions. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.